Welcome to World Famous Foods and Mr. Ness. Today, Super Bowl of course, we're going to be doing a buffalo wings recipe. Let's cook. So we already washed our chicken wings. In case you didn't know, here is the regular wing. And all we did was just cut the tips off. And then we got the flat. We got the drumettes here, right? So what we're going to do now is take a paper towel. Just dry these off. Try and get them as dry as possible. All right? Okay, now we're gonna put some olive oil on our wings. Mix this up. Add some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. Gonna mix this all up. Then we're gonna add some bacon powder. Give it a little crisp. Make it intensifiably crisp. Don't look that word up, please. World Famous Foods, getting you guys ready for the Super Bowl party, right? Okay, so we got our pan. We're gonna put them in the oven. Spray some olive oil on here. Place our wings on here. Got the wire rack so we can get the airflow. Got no issues with that. Hope you guys enjoy the big game tonight. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Joanna, this recipe is for you. You wanted to know how to make them. There you go. Okay, we're gonna bake these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for probably like 50 to 60 minutes. Let's do this. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. Let's turn these. Joanna, this is how you do it, okay? Hope you guys enjoy the game tonight. I really don't care who wins. Doesn't matter to me. Not making any money off of it. People just go crazy over this stuff. All we're doing is just giving you guys another snack idea. Okay. Put this back in for another 30 minutes now. All right, so our wings are done. Just put them in here. Listen to this. Ooh, crunchy as ever. Okay, Joanna, here you go. Here's your recipe you wanted. One more step. Okay, so now we're going to just pour our wing sauce on here. Going to toss this. Okay, folks, here's our finished product. World Famous Foods Buffalo Wings 2024. Enjoy the game.